Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, gold is definitely in a pretty sideways market right now, which if you've been watching my videos, you know exactly why. It's because we are in a wave four right now. One, two, three, four of wave five. I definitely think it's likely to go up to about this 278.6, which is right around the 3070 area. But the reason why it's so overlapping is because it's a wave four, and a wave four is a very overlapping pattern more times than not. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, there definitely is some clarity in here, though. I think this is an A. I still think we're in a way B. Whether or not the way B is over, I'm not really convinced. I think it's a good chance it's probably going to go back up and try to retest the 61 or maybe even go out to the 78 before it actually pushes down and makes a wave C. I think it's still pretty likely to go down and take out this low to finish off a wave 4. And then I think it's likely we will get another push up to about that 3070 area to finish off the wave 5. Like I said, this likely is a wave three. We are likely in an ABC type pattern for a wave four, and then eventually back up for a wave five. Like I said, wave fours are very overlapping corrective patterns. I think that it is some sort of a three-wave structure. Whether or not it drifts up a little bit more or not, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. I do think it is likely to go down before it goes up. Whether it goes up and grabs a Fibonacci level or not, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.